Hello YouTube friends, welcome to this video again. Let's just jump right into it, okay? Now we're here still on Super Affiliate Network results with Bootcamp number 6, and I'll still be reading or saying what my coach Misha Wilson is saying and what he has also taught me. And one more other thing, I won't be adding in my make money videos with this Super Affiliate Network. I will be doing those videos separately from this one, okay? So we can go ahead on and get through with these. And if you're confused with this video, I will place the old video, the previous video, in with this video. So you can just go back and watch it again so you can catch up with this one, okay? Okay, let's continue. Now, most people told me that I would be crazy to give it away for anywhere under $50,000, considering all of the value that you'll get here today. But the truth is that I have a dirty motive. See, the more money you make with the system, the more money I make. The more money the coaching staff makes, and the faster we grow. I have a vision of scaling my company to the $50 million per year mark. And the only way we're going to do that is by helping as many people as humanly possible create success online. Remember, the mission here at the Super Affiliate Network is to allow 100,000 people to make their first sale online and 100 people to become the elite of the elite $1 million earners right alongside of us. Our vision is to empower the people to live a lifestyle of purpose and freedom. We believe that humans shouldn't be constrained by the system, entrapped by their circumstances, or suppressed by the insidious forces of evil everywhere around them. We believe in the inherent power of human beings to create their realities, design their lifestyles, and in the end affect the world around them in a meaningful way. It's our goal to fundamentally shift the internet marketing world from a hype-filled make money now no matter what the cost level of thinking and consciousness to a high value. The customer comes first. Integrity fuels style of business and life. So we can leave a legacy of honor, integrity, authenticity, and impact. And the only way I'm going to do that is by getting this amazing system into as many hands as humanly possible. And if I make it unattainable due to price, well, no one will be able to use it, and we won't be able to hit our goals. So here's what I'm going to allow you to do. I'm going to allow you to get started right now here today with the pro level of membership and claim all of your bonuses that I'm offering you right now here today for just $3,997. But with that said, considering that you're here watching this video and listening to my voice on Module 6, I know you're the right fit for our pro offer and our other premium value offers. So I've given your coach a one-time green light to even further your discount and give a one-time special offer when you take action and get in contact with them right now here today. You'll pay significantly less than the $3,997 price tag listed here. And since you're still listening to this video, why don't you go ahead on and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, okay? And continue enjoying all these videos that I'm putting out. And if you need to start from the beginning, start from the beginning so you can learn all about the Super Affiliate Network and how you can get started, okay? All right, let's continue on. You get everything we already discussed, well over $50,000 worth of real world value. And get to save potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours on what it would cost you to do it all yourself. Again, the regular price is $3,997, but when you take action and reach out to your coach right today, you'll get it for significantly less. But remember, the bonuses and the one-time discount I've okayed the coaches to give you are only available when you make a decision and get started before the timer on this page runs out. After that, the bonuses disappeared, and the price increased back to its regular $3,997, which would still be an absolute steal. Today and today only, you can get this. Now, this video has, yes, came to an end as well. You can click on this link above or copy it and open it up in another web browser and learn all about this super affiliate network and how you can purchase it right now for $1. Then don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. I need you to like, share, and comment down below. Thanks again for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.